Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this picture on Facebook and they want to get rid of these nodes. I've asked for the file, but I was fixing to leave the house and wanted to see if I couldn't help them. So I've kind of reduplicated something with the same scenario with a lot of nodes. Now, I think the best way to do this is to, one, we're going to make a duplicate. I'm going to nudge it over. We're going to take this one with the shape tool. And I think this is the best way. If you will take that node and right click and break it apart, take that node with your left mouse button and then right click, break apart. Then watch what happens. We can delete all those other lines. They still have all those nodes and we have a copy to compare. But so now select all the nodes and see how we turned it from blank nodes to filled in nodes. Go right here and type in 20 and hit enter. Didn't really change it, but there's only 2 nodes. Now I'm going to make it red. You got to pick it with a pick tool and nudge it over here. We're off just a little bit. I mean, minutely, and that could be altered. You know, you could make it perfect too by moving some handles. I'm not going to go there in this video. But what we're going to do now is we're going to make this box, put it back, put that box back. So what we can do now is left click, right click, and break it apart. Left click, right click, break apart. And by left click, right click, I mean I'm hitting the mouse. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to nudge it. Now nudge it over to my new one. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in and then nudge it out of the way. I'm actually going to nudge it to the right, get it off that page. And I'm going to left click, right click. And if you remember how many nodes we have 2 nodes on this now. I think the other had 65 nodes just on that curve. So we reduced it just to 2 nodes. Now, if it's a part that has to be perfect, it'd almost be easier just to redraw it. This is a file that a customer sent them. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.